एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
राइट
देर आए दुरुस्त आए।
देर आए दुरुस्त आए, ये समझदारी अब है हमारी सरकार की भी, और बहुत हमारे मोदी जी के सरकार की तो 11 साल की ये समझदारी है, तभी तो ये काउंटर स्ट्राइक्स हो रहे थे सर। लेकिन आप मुझे बताइए, आसिम मुनीर जैसों का क्या इलाज है?
लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते। एक लफ्ज में इनका इलाज, इनको चाहिए लात। और इस बार लगी है, इस बार लगी है। हम सिर्फ फौजियों वेटरन्स का ये था, ये दिल मांगे मोर, थोड़ा सा और कर दिए। और किसने कहा ऑपरेशन सिंदूर खत्म हुआ?
पीएम ने कहा सिर्फ स्थगित हुआ है, उन्होंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं कहा कि खत्म हुआ है। It's just a pause.
So पाकिस्तान वालों, भंगड़े मत करो, ज्यादा खुशी मत मनाओ। It will come back to haunt you. You know, the thing is, unless you raise costs and consequences for the Pakistani state and the army, and not this cartoon networks, they have been destroyed. उनके तो headquarters destroy हो गए। और जो IMF से लोन लिया है, that has become a terror funding agency, the IMF. The latest terror funding agency in the world is the IMF. $2 billion का लोन दे रही है, जब देखा मार पड़ गई है जी, अच्छी करारी मार पड़ी है। $2 बिलियन का लोन दिया, और पाकिस्तान की सरकार ने पहला उसमें से किसको दिया है? 14 करोड़ दिए हैं मरकज़े सुभान अल्लाह को, रिकंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए। जहां पहले ओसामा बिन लादेन had given $10 billion to construct that grand mansion which the Indian Air Force reduced to bloody rubble, right? Now the Pakistani government has given 14 crore rupees from this bloody tranche.
So wasn't this money expected to be used for the development of Pakistan?
पाकिस्तान एक फटीचर मुल्क है मेघा, जिसमें वहां के अवाम को 2 रोज की रोटी नहीं मिल रही। बट डज द पाकिस्तान आर्मी केयर? दे डोंट केयर अ डैम। वो दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड 2 रोज की रोटी मिले ना मिले, हमें हमारे खिलौने चाहिए। स्वीडिश एवैक्स जो सबसे महंगे हैं AEWs, वो हमको चाहिए। और अगर इंडिया ने उड़ा दिए हैं तो खरीद के लाओ, जहां मर्जी ये $2 बिलियन आए ना, खरीद लाओ उनसे। I mean, this is the terror funding agency, the IMF. We had protested. America didn't intervene. China, of course, wants them to get this $2 billion.
Of course.
कि हर तो ठीक है साहब, आप $2 बिलियन दे, क्या होता है $2 बिलियन में? हा? क्या होगा $2 बिलियन में? देखो, मेरी सरकार को शुरू से परामर्श रही है कि जहां तक पाकिस्तान का सवाल है, इट्स द इकोनॉमी। पाकिस्तान को जानना चाहिए जो बिल क्लिंटन ने कहा था, इट इज द इकोनॉमी स्टूपिड, इट इज योर इकोनॉमी। मूडीज इंटरनेशनल रेटिंग एजेंसी has told Pakistan, you are in no shape to fight a bloody war.
Yes, sir.
You will get flushed down the tube of history.
Right, sir.
What is the way? You asked me what should my advice be to the government, or if I was still serving, what would I have told my superiors? Is that go for the juggler of Pakistan, Shahrag.
है ना?
इस कश्मीर नहीं है, बकवास है वो।
Go for the economy.
Economy है। How do you destroy a nuclear armed state?
You tell, sir. What do you do?
No, good question. How do you destroy a nuclear armed state?
Yeah.
Is there a historical precedent? In military history, you go by historical precedent.
All right, sir.
Year of the Lord 1990. Okay. Soviet Union. One of the 2 superpowers of the world with an over 10,000 warhead strong nuclear arsenal. What happened to the Soviet Union?
Disintegrated.
It collapsed economically.
Yeah. And disintegrated.
And it was made to collapse because the United States pressurized Saudi Arabia to reduce the price of oil, put it in free fall. From 1996 to 1990, it was reduced just in the last 6 months from $30 a barrel to $10 a barrel. And that broke the back of the Soviet economy, not Afghanistan. Afghanistan cost them nothing. Don't give us lies and false narratives. It was the destruction of the Soviet economy, which was a energy based economy solely on the export of oil and energy, right? That was destroyed. And then the Soviet Union splintered into 15 states.
Right, sir.
ठीक है? Pakistan will not splinter into 15 states. No, sir, no. It will splinter into 5 states.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Which 5? Baluchistan, Sindhu Desh, Pashtun entity, West Punjab, Sairikia. These are the natural fault line mosaic. You put pressure and it will splinter on those
You
sides.
see that happening?
Of course. It could have happened now. It could have happened now, but we have delayed it. Okay, for good reason, I think.
Hitting Pakistan's economy is something a lot of experts have been talking about. It really is not about the terrorism. If you really want Pakistan to be down on its knees, तो उसकी economy को खत्म करिए. उसके लिए भारत को अगर अपनी सैन्य बल को यूज करना है तो क्या करना है? कराची पोर्ट को अटैक करना है? क्या करना है? क्या करना चाहिए भारत को?
The way to the juggler
Yeah.
is via the military.
Is why the military Yeah.
will attack when it has attacked the Pakistan Air Force right now.
जी sir.
Only the Pakistan Air Force has been properly struck.
जी sir.
The 11 air bases down, ठीक है, 4 radars down, right? Nuclear installation down, that is the nuclear storage site down, right? They've been hit and hit pretty hard.
Yeah.
Now they've lost 7 to 8 JF-17s as per the open sources, right? They have lost one F-16. They have lost one J-10C. They have lost one AWAC, AEW Swedish. They have lost one C-30, one IL-76, equivalent aircraft. You see, so they have lost 4 radars. All this costs money.
Yes.
They'll have to replace it. $2 billion will not suffice for this sub cheese,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then the crown jewel on our side, the service that has the maximum relative strength differential with the Pakistani counterpart is the Indian Navy. In 1971, the Indian Navy had hit Karachi twice.
Okay.
4th of December, which is celebrated as the Navy Day, and 8th of December. We sank 6 enemy bloody ships in the Karachi harbor. We put the Karachi terminal on fire. It burned for 10 days. You could not see the sunlight because of the dense black smoke. Right? We blockaded Pakistan, east and west both, and it was down on its bloody knees. So when you blockade Pakistan, the Indian Navy can do a partial or total blockade of Pakistan. You've got 2 aircraft carrier battle groups, man,
Yes, sir.
which can
Parked
put the
right there.
fear of God up Pakistan's Navy. And you know what the Pakistani, when General Asim Munir started all this fracas, you know, he had gone to Kazakhstan for a very well-deserved holiday. You know, he had to come rushing back, and he met his air chief and the Navy chief. उन्होंने क्या बोला? मरा दिया मुनीर, मेरी नेवी में 8 सबमरीन्स हैं. द नेवी के एडमिरल ने कहा 8 सबमरीन्स हैं मेरी नेवी के अंदर. 5 अगस्ता 3 मिजिट, उनमें से केवल 2 चल रही हैं आज के दिन. द रेस्ट आर इन रिपेयर एंड रिफिट इन द कराची हार्बर, राइट? तो मैं इतना, और ये इंडियन नेवी का आर्माडा विक्रांत आ रहा है, कैरियर बैटल ग्रुप विद मिसाइल डिस्ट्रॉयर्स, मिसाइल फ्रिगेट्स एंड सबमरीन. मैं 2 सबमरीन से क्या करूंगा? मरा. यू कुडंट हैव चोजन अ वर्स्ट टाइम. द सेम थिंग द इंडियन द पाकिस्तानी एयर फोर्स चीफ टोल्ड हिम, माय F-16s, half of them are out of action because they are being upgraded, right, with the $400 million package that Donald Trump gave. ठीक है? Then he said कि my F-16s, half their radars don't work, right? I've got this problem, that problem. Couldn't you have asked me before you started? So look, and then when his own generals briefed him, his chief of the general staff, who's incidentally next in the line for chief, if he's retired at his original date of October this year, right? Then you know, then he says we've got 7 to 10 days of ammunition war wastage reserve, out of which the Americans forced us to sell $320 million worth of ammunition to Ukraine, artillery ammunition.
Okay.
So we are down to 5 to 6 days. My aviation turbine fuel by which the Air Force flies, stocks are down to 5 days.
Okay.
If the Navy puts this block, where are you, sir?
Kaput, right? Totally destroyed. जनरल बख्शी, आप इतनी सारी बातें बता रहे हैं.